Hi there, this is my demonstration video for CS50Web project to cars, and I have created two users. One is for host and one is for user. As you can see, I've created four models except the user model, one for categories listings, one for base, and one for comments made on auction listings. And now let's log in as a host, create a listing. Say we can specify a title, description, image URL, and price. And then we can choose a category from what we have created. This is toys, and create. Now you can see the active listing page is the default root of this web application, and it lets us view all the current active auction listings. For each active listing, it displays the picture, the title, the description, and the current price. And we can click on the detail button. It will take us to a page specific to that listing. And on this page, our users are able to view all details about the listing. Add the item to the watch list. The item is already on the watch list and the user should be able to remove from it. The user is able to bid on the item, like must be at least as much as a starting bid and must be greater than any other bids that have been picked. Like if we put this one, maybe it was filled. Yeah, if it doesn't meet this criteria, the user should be presented with error like bid was filled. One, like 1,300. Now we successfully bid. And we need to add it to the watch list. And then we can just log out and log in as a hoster. You can just close it, and you now in our watch list we can see that congratulations, you won the auction. Comment. We can add comments on the listing page. The listing page displays all the comments that have been made on the listing. Like if we log out and log in as a host, now we can see the comments posted by user, and we can add our own comments. Like the users who are signed in should be able to visit the watch list, as we have shown that. Then click on any of those should take the user to the listings page, like have all the information about that. And next is categories. Click on the select should take the user to a page that displays all of the active listings in that category. And lost the Django admin interface. And via the Django admin interface, aside administration can be able to view, add, and edit, and delete all these models. Okay, this is all my demonstration for this project. Thanks for your watching.